why did I buy a car that I can't even afford? I mean, I've gone on the internet, and the internet definitely says that it's a depreciating asset, which it is, but I would say they are not entirely correct. Yes, there are insurance costs, fuel costs, road tax, and don't even get me started on maintenance costs. It would have been more sensible to maybe get a Corolla or a Prius which does maybe 50 miles per gallon. I mean, this car is in no way a sensible choice, but it's more like a sensory choice. The car is already in dynamic mode. Have a listen to the exhaust, and it's the best music to ears. And that isn't the only sensory awakening that this car gives. Every time I put my foot down like this, it just flies. It literally just flies. I mean, isn't it so amazing? The car is almost 10 years old now, and it really wants to push and push for more. And I get scared, but the car, it doesn't. So, still thinking about those 50 miles per gallon which I had suggested? Well, in my current financial condition, I would think too. But here's something that swayed me, and I think if you are a car person, it might sway you too. A V6 3-liter engine producing 349 horsepower. Yes, it only gives 20 miles per gallon, but all those 20 miles, I have a smile on my face. So let's get back to driving and get that smile back on our faces. By the way, did I tell you it's a supercharged engine as well? It's so punchy, as you see. All right. Okay, so it's supercharged, and thankfully it has a quattro system in it, because that keeps me in line and keeps me safe as well, because a supercharged car is like a wild animal, tough to tame, but so fun to drive. Now I know that everything that I've said do not make any financial sense. And God knows I've gone through so many spreadsheets trying to justify the cost, but it just doesn't make sense. But life isn't supposed to be lived behind spreadsheets. Sometimes it's lived behind V6 engines supercharged, which can give you this effect. For years, this car existed only as a picture on a screen, a YouTube review, a dream. Maybe I did buy a car I can't afford. Or maybe I finally bought a car I couldn't stop thinking about.